girl, you're my chamacacello. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamacacello. Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamacacello. Yes, I sharmada aja nachte dikhane. Ameri hole aja pari da girane. Ameri yakkiyon se yakkiyan milane. Hum doona nakhre dikha. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Tu meri chamacacello. Teri picture ka main hero.
Please give a warm UK welcome to quite possibly the biggest Bollywood actor we have on this planet. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, guys and girls, make some noise for the one and only Shah Rukh Khan!
With the last film that I did, Jab Tak Hai Jana, I hope you guys watched it and sort of. It was a bit long. I didn't mind it. I had two beautiful girls, so I didn't mind it being a little long. But so I'll say a dialogue from that one because I like it. It's Mr. Yash Chopra's last film, so I'll start with that. I hope you enjoyed. तेरी आँखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ. Thank you. तेरी आँखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, तेरे जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान. तेरा हाथ से हाथ छोड़ना, तेरे सायों का रुख मोड़ना, तेरा पलट के फिर ना देखना, नहीं माफ करूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान. All right, so I do a few dialogues on request if you guys want, and chat with you and figure out if there's anything you want to know. And let me say at the beginning, because when I was backstage, Shahzad very sweetly told me a lot of parents are here with little children and they listen to me, which is unlike my children. So all the younger kids here, listen to your parents, love them, study hard, work hard, and do everything they tell you. That's a good thing to do, okay? So now that I've given off my lecture to you kids, now we'll just enjoy and have fun, all right? Yeah. Shahzad was very sweet. He's telling me, all the kids are there. Make sure you say good things. So no dirty jokes. I'm not going to be too naughty. I'll be straightforward, simple, and try to behave myself and not be ill-mannered. So if there's anyone who'd like to ask me a question or if there's a request, I'll wait for it.
Who wants to ask Shah Rukh a question?
The three microphones, I'm told, they're right up to the back there. So everyone at the back, if you guys can't see me properly, I'll be talking to you if you want me to speak louder or something. So can we have the microphone to the first person who'd like to ask you something or get to know? There's a microphone there, yeah. So we'll start with this, yeah. And I request the gentlemen who are holding the microphone for the guys in the back, if they announce themselves, we've got a question from the back. I don't want the guys in the back to feel bad. Yes, ma'am. Can we have the mic on or the microphone on?
Will you leave Gordy for me?
Sorry, I can make
Next question.
Please say your name and
Hi, my name's Anja.
Yes, darling, please get a mic. I can see you better then. Yeah. Give her the mic, it's alright. Let her hold the mic, she's not gonna run away with it. So, when you get the microphone, the rule is don't run away with it. Return it back to the guy who's handing it to you, okay? Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. She's confused.
You confused who I am, or you want to ask someone else? I'm sorry.
Can my niece start a star in your next movie?
Sorry, darling, say it louder. Speak in the mic.
Star in your next movie. Can my niece star in your next movie?
Can your niece star in my next movie?
My niece.
I normally take girls fully. I mean, right from the toes to the head. But yeah, if you just want your niece there, yeah, we can do that.
Say yes or no.
Yeah, she can, most certainly. Please send her over to Mumbai, we'll work it out. There was a lady asking a question here.
Hi. My name is Steffi and I'm from Sweden.
Hi, darling. What's your name? Say it again.
Steffi. Steffi, short for Stephanie.
Stephanie, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I want to ask you,
Will you speak in the mic, Stephanie? Yeah.
I want to ask you, can you please tell us something about you that we already don't know? And one moment, I just want to tell you that you're like God for me and I love you. And if I ever get married, I hope my husband will be like you. Otherwise, I don't want a husband. You're the best. You're the best.
All right. Thank you, Stephanie.
My name is Zara.
One second, you know what? Listen, guys, with the microphone. So somebody asks a question, I'm to answer them and then pass on the microphone. Yeah. Okay. All right, Stephanie. Thank you very much. That's very kind. Yeah, but I don't know what I can tell you about me that you already. I don't know what all do you know about me. Or you know everything about me, then there's nothing more to tell. You know me inside out, and if you know me inside out, I would be the last guy you'd want to marry, really, actually.
Shara,
Yes, ma'am.
the last time I came to see you in Manchester, I got pushed over and I got a fracture in 2 places of my arm. So could I go on stage and dance with you to Gangnam Style?
Say it again, darling. Sorry, I didn't understand what you said.
The last time I came to see you in Manchester, I broke my arm in 2 places because I got pushed over and I had a cast from September to December. So can I dance with you on stage to Gangnam Style?
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I mean, is that
Really?
the price I have to pay because you got pushed around, right?
Yeah.
You're using emotional blackmail with me, and yeah. The next thing I know, you will sue me for coming to Manchester. No, I'll do it. I'll do it with you, but I don't know how to dance the Gangnam Style.
You have to listen. Go on. Just give her one chance. She had
Okay,
2 fractures, bad fractures.
No, please don't keep saying it is scary. She's got 2 fractures. Dance with her and all. Yeah. I dance gently with her just in case it happens again. Yeah, so, but I do it with you, darling. What's your name? Okay, so you be here, and I know where you are. Call you when I start the dance.
Okay, Shara, we're going to the back of the hall now.
Yeah,
Let's go
please.
right to the back.
Right at the back, guys. Yeah.
Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, hello. I can hear you. Where are you calling from, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello, Shabu. My name is Samara.
Okay, so we'll take Sumera's question first, and then come down to you, ma'am. Yes, Sumera.
Can you say a few dialogues from one of your Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, please?
Yes,
towards
where are
me,
you,
over
Sumera?
close to me, over here.
No one.
Can you see me?
I can
Over
see.
here.
I can see a lot of hands. What are you wearing, Sumera?
Over here.
Oh, okay, I got you now. Yeah,
Please,
okay.
I
All
love
right.
you, I love you.
Okay, from Dilwale. I just remember one from Dilwale right now. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. And that new one from कुछ कुछ होता है. I know people like that one. हम एक बार जीते हैं, हम एक बार मरते हैं. शादी भी एक बार होती है, और प्यार तुम नहीं समझोगी अंजलि, कुछ कुछ होता है. Yes, sir. Where you?
Excuse me, Sharu.
One mic at a time, so that I get confused. Sorry. Where's the gentleman speaking from? If you just raise your hand, please. Where's the gentleman speaking from?
Roman.
The gentleman?
Muscat, Oman.
She lady wants to speak to you.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Shadow. I speak just a little English.
So do I, don't worry, darling.
I come to France just for my children in France. Dédicace for a picture, love Rawan and G1 films, games. For my children's dédicace, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
My children say.
So I'm sorry, I understand you speak less. Can you say it again? I didn't understand.
Excuse me, sorry.
Okay, whatever you're saying, I'm doing it, alright? So,
Hi Sharon, she's come all the way.
she's come all the way from France.
And she's got a picture of her kids who are posing in front of the TV playing Raw One.
Oh,
And
okay.
she wants to hand it to you.
Alright, will you give it to the gentleman? I'll take it from him. Thank you so much. And voulez-vous and stuff. For France.
Shadow! Here. Hi, Shadow.
Okay, give me okay, one microphone at a time, guys. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just take your question, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Shadow. I came all the way from Oman to see you.
Thank you very much.
I'm so in love with you. And the first time I saw you, I was 10. My uncle.
That make me feel very, very old right now, right? Yeah? So don't say that. Say you saw me first time when you were 27.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
I was.
That's between you and me.
I love you so much that I really want to get married to someone like you, just like Stephanie. And I guess all of the girls here, they want the same thing too.
I've only come to Birmingham to get married, darling. So that's all I come here to do. Like,
I will definitely get married to you, but I don't want to upset Gauri. I will not upset Gauri. She is also in my heart as well.
looking at the choices, she already must be upset. She must have left me come back now.
Sharon, thank you very much.
Thank
I'm
you so
gonna
much.
get
Darling, you
back
didn't tell
to
me your name.
Sir, my name is Tawhida. Tawhida.
Toshida.
No, Tawhida.
Tohida. Okay, thank you, Tohida. God bless you. Thank you very much. Where are you?
Hi, my name is Anissa.
Hi,
and
Anissa.
I'd just like to let you know I'm a great fan because of my auntie here.
Thank you.
Me and her always used to watch Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and we're a massive fan. I would like to know what is your favourite film and why, out of all the ones you've acted in.
Normally my favorite film, Auntie, and
Auntie number 2, Rumessa.
say her name again, darling. Anisha. Okay.
Just one more.
Okay, the three of you. Yeah, the favorite film normally is the one that I'm going to do next because I just move on after having done the last film. Thank you, Frankie. But I enjoyed doing. I don't know, Chakde was nice. I thought Dilwale was very good. I thought Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was fun. Dawn, I like Dawn. I like the dialogues from Dawn. So I'll do one for the three of you. All right. Dawn का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस Dawn का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया, लेकिन Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है. Thank you girls, thank you for liking me so much. Thank you very much.
Hi, Sharon.
Anyone else? Where? Inside.
Hi,
I got you. Say your name, darling.
I'm Hina. My name is Hina.
And what do you do, Hina?
I work in, I worship you.
Okay, that's the best
I'm
job
joking,
there ever
I'm
was.
joking. I don't do that. I respect
Oh,
you.
now I'm depressed now.
No, there's only one.
Come
one.
on,
We all know
Hina.
that.
Okay, do it once a week, please.
Yeah, maybe once a week.
Okay, once a week, thank you.
Only. So, you've come all the way to Spark Hill, which is a really big deal. Everyone will tell you.
Okay. And why is that so?
Ask someone, you'll find out. Amitabh Bachchan came, and what happened to him?
I'm sorry, I'll ask
You don't know.
him.
Yeah, ask him what happened. But anyway, thank you for coming.
Are you scaring me?
No. Please, I just want to say, when I was little, I used to have like your posters in my bedroom wall, and everybody was like, "You're a foul girl, you're never gonna see him." I was like, one day, maybe I will. So Shah Rukh, I'm getting married next year. Can you come to my wedding and perform, please?
Is it at Spark Hill?
No!
Then I can't come. If it's not here, then I'm not coming. This is the place I come again and again. No, but...
Are you going to
but,
come?
you know,
Please tell
oh,
me.
no,
I'm with my fiance.
Is he? Oh, he's here. What's his name?
Kurum.
Kuru.
He's going to be so embarrassed.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Where is he? Congratulations and sorry, I didn't get the name. Kuru.
Kurum.
Kuram.
Kurum.
Kuram and Hina.
Kurum Yaqub.
Okay, Kuram Yaqub and Hina. Congratulations and.
Are you going to come?
Are
you going to have some roast at my wedding?
Okay, inshallah. This next year?
Yeah, next year. I'm
Okay.
going to call you and you better come, okay? So I have a special
please.
invitation.
Please, I will most certainly come and if I don't make it, I will send you a poem or I'll send some shairi for you for your wedding.
But
But be happy to be
then you
married.
can say, शायद ये दुनिया की सबसे छोटी प्रेम कहानी होगी.
No, I'll not say that.
Between me and you.
I would say, instead I would tell both of you and I would tell you, Hina, अगर किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है. So I'll be there and congratulations both of you, Khurram and Hina.
Now let's go to the back of the hall. Need someone from the back. All right.
Hello, Shahrukh. Over here.
Stay to my right or left.
Hello, G.
Wait, Ali, I can't see you.
G, इधर. इस तरफ. Look to you.
Stay to my right.
Hello, Shahrukh. My name's Rubina.
Okay, Rubina, I can't see which side. Please say my side, left side, or right side.
Gee, thank you very much.
बोले ना मेरी left side पे क्या आपकी left side पे तो मैं समझ आऊँगा.
You've confused me already.
Okay, I'm sorry. Like, see, okay, so this is the right for you, but this is like left for me. So say, okay, for everyone.
Thank you for coming to Spark Hill.
Thank you, darling. What's your name? Sorry, say it again.
Rubina.
Rubina. What do you do, Rubina?
I'm a community worker.
You do?
Community work.
Sorry?
Community worker.
Community work. Oh, okay.
I help support women in this area. Can you tell me how you think Bollywood is changing our society today, especially in India and Pakistan and everywhere else? Is it bringing reality down to what's really happening in the real world? Are you going to align yourself to reality at some point? Because I don't think it is at the moment.
No, I don't think so, Rubina. Not me personally. I think of films and Bollywood and everywhere in India to entertain people. And I understand there's a lot of real films and serious cinema. But I think it's nicer to just let people enjoy themselves and make films which are for the family and make everyone happy equally.
I think that because of your position, you can play a big role if you do...
No, Rubina, you pay me too much importance. Not really. I'm just an actor, so I hope I can make you guys happy and, you know, make you feel nice and... Yeah. I can't... I know a lot of people believe I can do much more than that, but I just hope I can entertain you well.
Hello. Hello, Shahrukh.
How are you, sir? Good evening.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Shahrukh, we had the honor of giving you a doctorate. I came to your house.
Sorry?
You remember Dr. George, who came to your house and gave the doctorate?
Yes, most certainly, yes.
We are happy that we gave you the doctorate from Bedfordshire.
Thank you very much. People have started taking me very seriously since then. Yeah.
Oh, very good, very good. Shahrukh, we from Birmingham are the biggest Asian community in England. Come on, Birmingham!
Yes.
And you always invited us to your house, and you always came here, got the doctorate. How it has influenced, now it is 3 years since I have met you. How it has influenced your life, getting an honorary doctorate from England, and have your children started asking you what doctor you are, or we call you Dr. Shahrukh Khan, but how your family?
First of all, thank you once again for the honor bestowed upon me.
You remember Dr. George?
Yes, most certainly, yes. And a lot of people back home in India, like I said, start taking me seriously. And then there were a lot of people who were calling me when they felt sick also. So I explained to them I'm not that kind of a doctor. And but thank you very much. It's a big honor, and I hope I'll continue to utilize it in a manner which is nice.
Okay,
Inshallah.
next question at the back of the hall.
We were taking some questions from the back. What happened?
I'm at the back of the hall. Questions from the back now. Come on.
Hello. Hi, Sharon.
My right or left?
Hello. Opposite you in the white jacket. Hello. Sharon in the white blazer.
Okay.
Hello.
There. All right, I got you.
Hi, Sharon.
Hi,
I'm
how are you?
Selena.
Selena.
Yeah.
Good evening, Selena. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So happy to see you.
Thank you. I'm very happy to see you too.
I just want to ask you a question. If you were stranded on an island, what are the 3 things that you would want with you?
Sorry, if I was stranded on an island?
Yeah, what 3 things would you want with you?
Things I don't know. I'd like to take my kids along with me. They're great fun to be with, actually, to be really honest. You know, I've been here since yesterday. I've not been keeping well. I had this bad virus. But you know, I've just laid down with my son. I really believe there is nothing better than children. So if they allow me, I would take my kids there. And I don't know, just some good books to read. And maybe my
What's your favorite book?
I have lots of favorite books. We can sit down and discuss that one of these days when we meet Selena. But lots of books. I read lots of them. Though I like Douglas Adams. I don't know if you've read Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. And yeah, I would like to take my Sony PlayStation with me to play video games. And something to eat, yeah, that would be good. But why think of things like being stranded on an island and all? I'm very happy being with all the people and being able to make movies and, you know.
Oh, we love you. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Selena. Thank you very much.
Hello, Shahrukh.
Yes, where are you?
Hello, I'm here.
This side, that side.
Hello. Opposite you, Shahrukh. I'm just here, Shahrukh.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, hi, Shahrukh.
How are you?
I'm very pleased to be here today.
Thank you very
I
much.
tried to go to the Manchester show, but I couldn't make it, so I'm here by hook or by crook.
Thank you so much. What's your name, darling?
My best film is Reed Zara.
Tell me your name.
My name is Prabha.
Prabha.
From Coventry.
Prabha from Coventry.
Yeah?
Okay.
Would you please just do a little line from the film Reed Zara, please? Any song.
Ah, song.
I just love that film, as in it's the best film ever.
Prabha, I don't sing very well.
What about Dopal, the one on the train station?
So if you started from there, I'll sing along with you.
Yes, please.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, go. और फिर चल दिए तुम कहाँ हम और फिर चल दिए तुम कहाँ हम Thank you, Prabha. Thank you very much.
Hey, calm down. Calm down. 1 second. What a question.
One second, I have a question.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good evening.
Some 3 years ago, I saw you at an event when you said that your parents had diabetes. And I stood up and I said, we screen people for nothing in this country, mainly Pakistani, Bangladeshi and Indian people are prone to diabetes. Since then, we have done about 12,000 screening, and that is, and you said, I said, when I come to Bombay, I would like you to be patron of our charity. And you said, when you come to Bombay, yes, meet me. And I tried my best. I could meet you.
You did come to Bombay?
Did come to Bombay many times.
All right, I'm really sorry.
Now, well, yeah, I can understand.
So I promise you once again, next time you're in Mumbai, 100% I'll meet up and we will start.
No, but all these people know that this charity is doing great here. And the second station is in Delhi. I would like your word that you will simply be patron. I don't want any money from you, any time from you.
I don't have money. If I had the money, I'd start hospitals myself.
Well, we don't.
What's your charity called, sir?
The charity is called Healthy Hearts.
Okay.
And this last year we did 6,000 patients, and 40% of us don't know that we are even diabetic.
Alright, so this one goes out for everyone in Delhi when Healthy Heart starts there. And for all the great work that Dr. Saab you've been doing and your organization. So everybody please do get tested for diabetes or any heart diseases. It'll keep us healthy, our family will be happy, and it's very important to live long and healthy.
Alright guys, next question. We want you to be our patron, that's all.
I would work it out from the office, I'll do it inshallah. Thank you.
Mr. Khan? Hi Mr. Khan. How you doing?
I'm good, darling. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria. Where are you from, Maria?
Here.
Okay, stupid question, yeah. Sorry.
No marriage request from me. I just want to ask you, will you come and have a cup of tea at our restaurant round the corner?
No?
It's just round the corner. It's called Zort. We're part of this today.
And don't take me wrongly, but this is the wrong time to have a cup of tea.
No, once you're done, obviously. As soon as you're done.
I'll see, I have to get back to London because my son's leaving for school tomorrow. So I'll see. Next time when I'm in Birmingham, I'll do that. When I come in the daytime, I'll do it for sure.
Okay, well, make sure you do. Thank you.
Thank you, darling.
Hello?
So can we have the microphone in the back there, yeah, so everyone...
Hello? Hello?
Yes, darling, where are you? Yeah.
Hi, Sharon.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. Would you ever star with Madhuri again in the next film?
Sorry?
Would you star with Madhuri again in any film?
What's your name?
Farida.
Rita.
Farida.
Farida, I don't cast for films. And Madhuri is a very, very dear friend, and I've done some very marvelous films with her, and I miss her. But the directors cast for the film, and I get to do them when I like the story and stuff. But left to me, yes, I would love to act with her, and she's now in Mumbai, and she's very happy with the 2 kids.
One more question. Would you ever find anyone as good as Yash Chopra again?
I think that's a little awkward question.
Okay, next question.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Which side, sorry? Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, what's your name? Walaikum salam.
My name is Maheen. Maheen.
Maheen?
Yes.
Yes, Maheen.
I was just wondering if you could say happy 18th birthday to my brother.
What's his name?
Sam, he's here.
Right here.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
And we were just wondering, out of all your films, what was your favourite place to film? Like, what location?
Which is mine?
Favourite location where you filmed?
I like London, it's very nice. In England, I like to come and shoot here. That's it. I normally like to shoot films back home in India so that I can be with my kids and family. But I like London so that I can just hang around here. Oh, it's nice to be here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you too. Thank you.
Hello?
Which side? Please say my right side or left side. Okay.
Hi Shahrukh, I'm Shabana, I'm the event manager here today, so we welcome you from CSN.
Thank you, Shabana, and thank you CSN for having me over here. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, Hopefully you've enjoyed being here.
It's been a great time. I like the fact that everybody's had dinner and everybody's looking happy and nice. Thank you so much.
One question, when are you back?
Back here?
Back here, please.
Or whenever we come, actually, like I said, I'd like to come back with a show. So everyone, we can have a lot more people from Birmingham coming and enjoying the show.
Well,
so
we look forward to welcome you next time. Birmingham, do we want to see Shahrukh again?
No, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shabana.
Is that a date?
100% Shabana.
Okay, next question.
Hi Shahrukh, come to me now. I'm like your world's biggest fan. This is my friend, we came together.
Thank you.
I just want to ask you a question. If it wasn't for acting, what other career would you have undertook? If it wasn't for acting?
I would have liked to be a sportsman. I would have liked to play field hockey or football. Otherwise, I would have become a teacher. I would have liked to have taught kids.
I love you so much, and thank you so much for coming today. I came from London just to see you, and I'll travel anywhere. I love you.
Thank you very much. You're very kind.
Hey Shahrukh!
Hello!
I just want to say thank you. I met you in Manchester last time and you made my dream come true.
And then what was that?
You sang to me. Happy birthday, it was my birthday.
Oh, okay, God bless you. You're looking well.
I love you.
Thank you, I love you too, darling. Thank you very much. Okay, is there anything else you guys would like me to do or say a dialogue?
One more question.
Hi, Charlotte.
Yeah, one second, you'll have to keep the microphone next to your mouth and speak
We
in.
absolutely love you.
Thank you very much.
Please. Charlotte, my question to you is, I'm getting married in June, June 29, and one advice would you be able to give me so I can have a successful marriage like you and your partner?
I didn't know you just need to, is your would-be husband here, June 29? Okay, first of all, congratulations and mashallah you're getting married. Just have patience, work out things. Is it a love marriage or an arranged marriage?
It's a love marriage.
Okay, how long have you known the boy? Is he here?
A long time. He's not come with me today, no. But I've come with my sisters instead. She's mad about you. She's absolutely
Thank you very much. I mean, just be patient, love him a lot, and work things around. It's not very dramatic to get married. I think it's just very simple and straightforward. And trust each other, give each other enough
Before
space.
we go, we want to give you something and we want you to join in. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम यार होता है दीवाना सनम यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम
I'll do that. It's one of the favorite things that I've done, so I'll do the same thing for you. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम. Thank you. That was very sweet. Thank you very much.
Hello. Hi, Shahrukh. It's Khalid. Here in the middle.
Where are you?
Here.
Okay.
I've got my wonderful daughter here, Aisha.
Aisha, how are you?
It's her birthday in a few months, and she's written a card especially for you. Just wondering if you could say a dialogue for Aisha as well.
Okay, you tell me. What films has she seen? Has she seen any of my... Aisha, have you seen any of my films? So what dialogue do you want to hear?
She likes your Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Okay, let me think of a dialogue which is more a little sweeter. Jab Tak Hai Jaan was too serious, right? Which one should I do? Okay, Dun London.
Dun London.
Well, let me do a film from. Okay, let me do a dialogue from Bazigar. She may not have seen it. It was
Okay.
before time, yeah.
This one's dedicated to Aisha.
Okay, this one's dedicated to Aisha for the film which was made about 15 years before she was born. Bazigar, okay. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम जानना चाहती हो कि मैं जानबूझकर रेस हार क्यों गया तुम्हारे लिए, क्योंकि अगर मैं ये रेस जीत जाता तो तुम्हारा दिल टूट जाता, और आयशा मैं तुम्हारी जैसी खूबसूरत हसीना दिल का कैसा तोड़ सकता हूँ. शायद इसलिए ने कहा है, शायद इसलिए किसी ने कहा है, कभी कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना पड़ता है, और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. Thank you very much, darling. And happy birthday in advance, Aisha. God bless you and be happy.
Hello.
Please bring a microphone here for her also. You would like to speak, darling? Yeah? I'll come and meet her. I'll come and meet her. How are you, darling? Thank you so much. That's very sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Nuwaida. Thank you. I didn't do it. No, not at all. Yeah. Good to see you both. Walaikum salam. God bless you, God. मुझे मालूम है आप कुछ नहीं करेंगे.
Hello. To your left, Shahrukh.
Shahrukh, on the left. On your left.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I just wanted to say, I've got one question, which is, what's the secret to your success? And secondly, my mom loves you, and मेरा छोटा भाई है यहाँ, वो मेरी माँ को राहुल कहती है, जो आपका रोल था
वो कहती है वो राहुल बने, उसको राहुल कहती है, तो प्लीज मेरी मॉम के लिए एक डायलॉग कह देंगे, कुछ कुछ होता है मूवी में से।
कुछ कुछ होता है को तुम्हें पता? Any dialogue you remember from कुछ कुछ होता है?
When you talk to your mom in that movie, and then what's the secret to your success?
I don't know. I think you all people have been very kind to me. I don't know. I myself, I just work and try and work very hard. And sometimes things go right, sometimes they don't go as well. But I want to thank you. Actually, I'm sorry I didn't do that. I always do that, and I say it from the bottom of my heart. Everyone here in Birmingham, England, everywhere, all your families are. First of all, thank you for making me the star that I am. Thank you very much. God bless you, really. I mean that. My whole family, my kids, my wife, everybody is extremely thankful for giving me this wonderful opportunity to work for you all. So that said, I don't know. Let me think of a dialogue from.
My mom's name is Nasreen. Please, if you could.
Okay, for Nasreen, I'll complete the dialogue from Om Shanti Om. Okay.
Please, yeah.
Okay. और अगर किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है। आप लोगों ने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिलाया, थैंक्स वेरी मच। कहते हैं फिल्मों की तरह जिंदगी में भी जिंदगी की तरह फिल्मों की तरह जिंदगी में भी अंत में सब कुछ ठीक ही हो जाता है, और अगर ठीक ना हो तो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है। So I truly believe in all the young people here. I want to wish you this, that there will be days and times when you think things are not going right, but do trust God, Allah, Bhagwan, and know this in your hearts, that if things are not good today, finally they'll all be good. You'll be happy and you'll be healthy, and all will be good. So always trust that and keep working hard. I mean, that's the only way you'll be successful, I think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Sharon, over here on your right. On your right.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Hello, darling.
My name's Poona.
Poona?
Yep.
Yes, Poona.
I have a quick question for you. You've worked with loads of different stars and actresses. Who's been your favourite?
If I tell you now, when I get back to Mumbai, they'll beat me up the ones I don't name.
You have to choose.
No, I can't choose. I've had some really beautiful moments with, initially to begin with, my very close friends, Madhuri and Tui. I had some really nice moments with them. They're still friends, our kids play together. Then of course Kajol, I think I've made some wonderful films with her. Rani Mukherjee, she's a close friend. And Aishwarya has been very nice. I'm very close to her. And now, amongst the young girls, I'm very fond of Deepika and Priyanka. And Katrina is sweet too. Anushka, yes, she's really sweet. Yeah. Anushka is wonderful. Yeah. I don't know, I just know this one. Which one? Do you know the dialogue? If you remind me, I'll do it for you. Okay, I'll do a Devdas for you. I don't know if you like Devdas, okay? Okay, I'm sorry, I don't drink, so I won't sound drunk, in spite of what people think, but I'll try my best. कौन कम वक्त बर्दाश्त करने के लिए पीता, हम तो पीते हैं कि यहाँ पर बैठ सकें, तुम्हें देख सकें, तुम्हें बर्दाश्त कर सकें, पर एक पारों की याद है कि भुलाई नहीं जाती. That's all, I forgot the rest of it.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. My name is Javed. I'm from Hale in Cheshire.
Yeah, say again your name, I didn't get, sorry.
Javed.
Javed. Assalamualaikum, Javed.
Walaikum assalam. Lovely to meet you and lovely to speak to you. I missed you when you came to Devonport Green Hall. So today was my chance finally to meet you.
Thank you,
I have a question
Javed.
for you. From what I read about you, from what I hear about you, you have a great philosophy in life. You adopt Islam, you adopt Hinduism. How do you explain that, and how does that work in your life? How does that manifest in something in your life?
I don't know. I truly see. By birth, I'm Muslim. I've been born and brought up like a Muslim. I have a Hindu wife, and whenever I talk about secularism and goodness, I think all religions finally do teach us to just be together. You know, when we see all of us together in a congregation like this, everybody's so happy, mashallah. Everybody's enjoying themselves at workplaces. never does religion come in the way of creating any strife. But then we keep hearing people, leaders and political people and journalism, which keeps on provoking us to talk wrongly in terms of religion. So my children are brought up like how you guys are together, that everybody should be together, be happy, and judge each other on the love we give each other. And that's how I've lived my life so far, mashallah, and it's been very nice. I'm really sorry. I know this is not a serious place to talk all this, but I truly believe, because we all are Asians. We are coming from countries which have had issues and strifes and problems. But the most beautiful moment for me is when all of us are together, and we don't consider, which country we are from, what color, what religion, and we are so happy together. And that's how I think, inshallah, we should all live, really.
Hi! Sharon!
Yeah.
I'm Jabari Barber.
Say it again, darling.
I'm Jabari Barber.
Okay.
And I'd like to ask that, do you like detention? Hello? Do you like...
Do I like detention?
do you like detention, or do you find it sometimes difficult to cope with?
What? Sorry.
The attention.
The attention, sorry. Oh, sorry, I totally thought I was still in school.
From your fans?
Yeah, no, I love the fact. I don't know if I would be able to live if I went out of my house and people didn't love me so much. I love it. Only sometimes when I'm with my kids, then I like to have some private time, but that I do at home. But when I'm outside, I'd actually, people ask me very often, why do I do a meet and greet like this? I only do it, honestly, apart from some wonderful people who've been able to organize it. I only do it so just to be able to get in touch with people who have, like I said, made me who I am. So I like the fact that I can talk with you, let you know that I'm absolutely a regular guy. I'm not some big star like you see on movies. And what I do for a living is very different from the way I am. So I like the fact that I'm able to talk with people and, meet up with them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ali. Thank you very much. I love you too.
Sharik, over here. Hi, I'm Sonia and I've come all the way from Scotland.
Sonia.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, Sonia.
ठीक-ठाक, कितना set suit?
बिल्कुल एकदम fit फाड़ा.
Okay, I'd like to ask you something for me. It's my birthday today, and I would like you to give me something for my birthday. And I was wondering if we could have a wee dance or a sing song, whichever one suits you.
You'd like to dance with me, Sonia, on your
birthday?
Yes,
I would love to dance with you.
Come on stage, yeah, come.
Seriously?
And please bring along the lady who got hurt last time, this young girl with you, so we can dance with her also. Come, okay. Now tell me your name. Come, Sonia. Happy birthday to you. Yes, most certainly. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't know if they have music for you. Do you have, what do you want to do? Chamachalo? Yeah? Chamachalo? Which song do you want to do? Gangnam Style. I don't know how to do. We'll do Chamachalo. Come on. Come on. Thank you very much, darling. Next time we'll do the Gangnam Style, okay? Yeah, teach me, okay? Like I said, we'll do it next time. Thank you very much. And look after yourself, and sorry you got hurt last time. Bless you, yeah, please take care of yourself, yeah. Please make sure she doesn't get hurt now.
Shah Rukh Khan, how amazing was that, everyone? Lovely to see you again in person. Thank you so much for coming to Sparkhill here in Birmingham. How have you found all the Brummies?
That's what they call Brummies.
That's what we call people from Birmingham are called Brummies.
Brummies. Oh,
Brummies.
okay. So thank you very much, Brummies, for being so cool and so nice. And I don't know, I was supposed to be here at 8 p.m. I landed at 9. So if I made you wait, I apologize. I'm really sorry. And I know, you know, when by the time I get back home, if I'm a little late somewhere, before I reach home, on Twitter people are abusing and stuff, so I get very scared now. So I'm really sorry if I was late with the traffic, but it's always wonderful to come here, meet all of you, as many as I can. Unfortunately, I can't be with everyone, but I think we're going to take some pictures with some of you at the backstage, but it's really wonderful to come here. I have most fond memories of being in Birmingham from the time I started acting, which is 20 years ago. And every time I come here, the energy, the happiness, and just the gusto, and the fact that you guys have so much passion for Indian films and Indian movie stars, I really thank you. Thank you very much for being so kind every time. It's always marvelous to come to Birmingham. Yeah, all of you guys, thank you. It's very nice having you.
Thank you very much, Shah Rukh. As you know, we love you too.
Thank you very much. And if there's anything else you want me to say or do a dialogue or a dance for them, I do it and go.
If possible, you can do a dance for us.
I don't know the steps, but which one? Tell me which one.
What would you like Shah Rukh to dance to? What would you like to dance to?
I can hardly dance, but okay, I'll do Chaya Chaya for you guys. But it's very tiring, so just a few steps. Would you dance with me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. All right. Do we have Chaya Chaya? Do we have Chaya Chaya music here? Everyone there, put your hands together. If we have Chaya Chaya, I'll dance to Chaya Chaya for you guys. Can you find it if you have Chaya Chaya? I'm sorry, Chaya Chaya steps I know, Om Shanti Om I don't know, but we'll try something strenuous. Can you play it? Thank you, Birmingham. Thank you very much for being so kind and so patient. God bless you. Have a good life. And always, 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 all of you be happy. Thank you so much. And Khuda Hafiz. Thank you. Thank you, brother.